sports game courts built in Peconic, New York. We built a putting green with 4 holes and flags and a sand bunker. And next to it, we built a pickleball court. The pickleball was built with an asphalt base, primed and painted in 2 different colors, a lighter blue for the field and darker blue for the pickleball court inlay. We striped the court with the white lines, and we used a removable pickleball netting. In the center of the court, we installed a basketball hoop, Pro Donkey Professional adjustable hoop with the light on top attachment. The basketball part was striped over the block line with the full 3-point line and the key in the center. This is the latest sports game court built by Gappsi in Peconic, New York, on the North Fork of Long Island.